Every year, thousands of Indian students move abroad for their medical education for good reasons. Affordable tuition fees, global exposure, good quality of education, and recognized degree. But picking the wrong university can waste your time, money, and cause you a lot of stress. Hello Ji, my name is Ayush. I'm a medical student at Kazakhstan State Medical University, Russia. If you have been dreaming of becoming a doctor and MBBS in India feels out of hand, I have got you. In this video, I'll walk you through the criteria I made to select my university that will help you select yours. First thing first, you need to qualify NEET, and you must have roughly around 60% in your physics, chemistry, biology and English. It could vary plus minus 10 according to the university. If you are planning to do your MBBS abroad, your NEET results are valid to 3 consecutive years. Now let's talk about one of the most important point, how to select the country. So these were the criteria I made for selecting the right country. The first one being regulatory compliances. Ensure that the country offers the medical degree or MBBS according to the NMC guideline. The second point being the language of instruction. Ensure that the degree or the course you're going to is 100% in English, because if it is bilingual, it won't be valid in India. Third, political and visa stability. Please ensure that the country you're going to is politically stable and has good diplomatic relationship with India. The next point is healthcare infrastructure. Please ensure that the country you're planning to go or the country you have in your mind has good hospital network and large number of clinics. The next point is personal safety. Please ensure that the country you're going to is student friendly and culturally and religiously tolerable. Please check the living cost and climate suitability. The next point being connection to India. Please ensure that you have maybe a direct flight or a connecting flight that you can go back to India. You don't have to change multiple countries coming back home. The last point being embassy and Indian student support or Indian student groups. Please ensure that the country you are going to has at least one Indian embassy and the university you are going to has a group of Indian students as will help you settle in more easily. Once the country is finalized, selecting the right university is most crucial step. So here is what to consider. The first point, NMC recognition. If the university is not recognized by NMC, don't even bother looking at it, as you won't be allowed to practice as a doctor in India. The next point being language of instruction, which is 100% in English. The next point, clinical exposure. To become a good doctor, you need very high clinical exposure. So please ensure that your university has affiliation with a functioning hospital, and please check what kind of hands-on practice or hands-on experience you get. The next point, cost and budget. MBBS abroad can cost you anywhere between 20 to 70 lakhs depending on the university and the country you choose. The total fees includes tuition fees for 6 years, your hostel, your food and everything in between. The next point, safety and living condition. Please ensure that the country you're going to is politically stable, student friendly, has good law enforcement and low crime rate. Also look at the living condition, food availability and other important aspects. Choosing the right university is not just about low fees. It is about quality of education, recognition and long-term goals or future opportunities. I know how overwhelming it can be. There are hundreds of universities from countries you have maybe never heard of, and every agent says that, sir, this is the top university, or madam, this is the best university. But let's be real, every option is not right for you. Please select the university based on your budget, your expectations or your requirements, preferences or your future goals. Don't fall for the agent promoted universities. Please make your decision wisely as your whole career depends on it. And the last point, before taking admission or before applying to any university, connect to the university student via Instagram or Reddit or Facebook or whatever social media you use. Talk to them, ask them about the university, how the brochure is showing something, is it true, is the agent official. Yeah, I forgot that point. Please ensure that you only apply through the official agent, as a lot of scams are going around. Students are applying for the university, paying the fees, and the agent vanishes in the thin air. So please ensure that you're applying to the official agent. If you go with any third party agent, they may charge you more or even scam you. So please be aware. Thank you so much for watching. If this video even helped you a little, please do like and subscribe, as it will help my channel grow. If you have any queries, please drop it down in the comment section, as I'll try to answer all of it. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck for your MBBS journey abroad. See you soon.